A cough that lingers for more than 8 weeks in adults or over 4 weeks in children is called a chronic cough. Though often dismissed as harmless, it can signal underlying health concerns such as asthma, allergies, acid reflux, or even serious lung disease. Beyond health risks, chronic cough can disrupt sleep, drain your energy, and reduce quality of life. The important step is not to ignore it. Consulting a doctor helps uncover the root cause and ensures the right treatment. Remember, a persistent cough is not just a nuisance. It's your body sending a warning. Listen to it. Seek timely medical advice. Protect your health before it becomes something more serious.